Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a free opportunity to grab some badges on MongoDB. So if you want to learn new technology and get free badges that you can show on your profile, on your resume, so yes, you can do it right now and it costs nothing, and you already have subscribed to Saurabh, get certified with Saurabh. So it means you are here for a free learning. And definitely you will have a real proof of your skills, that whatever you are learning, you can demonstrate the thing. So let's first understand what is MongoDB. MongoDB is a popular database system that is used by many companies around the world. It helps store, manage information like user data, product list, app content in a smart and flexible way. And if you want to work with data, software development or technology, MongoDB is a great skill to learn. So here we will know how we are going to gain these badges, which is listed on my screen. If you see, there are multiple skills badges are listed, like relational model badges, building AI powered search MongoDB, director search fundamentals, the schema patterns and anti-patterns, advanced schema patterns and anti-patterns, CRUD operation, RAG with MongoDB, schema design, optimization, fundamentals of data transformation, and so on. These badges will be like best for you if you are going to learn MongoDB. So let's get started how we are going to get these badges for free. So all you need to do, you just need to drive your browser to learn.mongodb.com/skills, where you will be getting to this website, where you will see there are different categories are here: data modeling, Gen AI, query, aggregation, security indexes, sharding, monitoring, tuning and automation, search, performance at scale, and architecture. Whatever the courses you require, see, the times are very less. You can easily complete any of this, and all these are free. If you come here, it says how it works. Watch the videos, practice with the hands-on labs, whatever the hands-on labs we will be giving to you. You can validate your knowledge with 10 short skill question check, and done. You will be awarded with a free Credly badge, and you can share it on your social media like LinkedIn and your resume. And once you earn these badges, be definitely ready to share with me and tag me in or mention me on your post. We will be celebrating it together. So Credly is a trusted platform where people or the employer will trust your knowledge. They understand that Credly is a trusted one. Even you can share these badges on your email signature. That will also add a value. And it's free. You can learn at your own speed. Don't worry about the cost. No worry about the time, because you have plenty of time to complete these badges. It's super easy. All you need to do is go to learn.mongodb.com/skills, and that's it, and you can finish the badges. So that is it. I hope you will be learning new badges from MongoDB and sharing on LinkedIn, and don't forget to mention me, and it's free to do. So if you have liked this video and get some knowledge, get some values from this video, please hit the like button. Comment if there is anything to know or anything to pass on. So please comment below. And if you yet not subscribed, so please subscribe to my channel. I generally come up with free certification alerts, free Udemy courses, and free educational resources. See you on the next videos. Thank you so much.